Okay, so you need to print something important. You hit print and then nothing. Just some cryptic error message. We've all been there, and it is so frustrating. Today, we're going to fix one of the most common ones for HP printer owners on Windows. Let's get you back up and running. Does this look familiar? Yeah, that one. Driver is unavailable. It's enough to make you want to just give up. But hold on. Don't throw that printer out the window just yet. This is almost always just a little software hiccup, and the fix is probably easier than you think. So here's the plan. We've got 3 really simple fixes we're going to walk through. We're going to start with the absolute easiest one first and work our way up from there. Seriously, in just a few minutes, you should be good to go. But before we dive in, let's take a quick second to understand what this error actually means. You know, what's really happening behind the scenes? Because once you know the why, the how makes a lot more sense. At its core, it's pretty simple. Your computer and your printer, well, they're not speaking the same language anymore. There's a communication breakdown. And usually, it's because either your Windows software is a bit out of date or the specific software for your printer, the driver, is outdated. That's it. Just a simple disconnect. All right, let's jump into fix number 1. We're going to start broad. The easiest and honestly one of the most effective things you can do is just make sure your entire Windows system is fully updated. This one step can solve a whole bunch of weird issues, including this printer problem. Let's do this together step by step. First, click on your Start menu. Then open up your settings. Over on the left side of that window, you'll see Windows Update. Go ahead and click that. And then you'll see a big button that says Check for Updates. Just hit that and let your computer do its thing. Okay, once all the updates are finished installing, and by the way, you might need to restart your computer. It's the moment of truth. Try printing something. Did that fix it? If it did, awesome, you're all set. If not, no big deal, we're just moving on to a more targeted fix. So if that system-wide update didn't do the trick, it's time to get a little more specific. Our next move is to go straight to the source of the problem, the printer driver itself. We're going to give Windows a little nudge and tell it to find the newest driver just for your HP printer. Okay, head back to your Start menu. This time, just start typing Device Manager and click on it when it pops up. Now, in this new window, look down the list for something called Print Queues. Click the little arrow next to it to open it up. Find your HP printer there, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Now, Windows is going to ask you how you want to do this. And trust me, for pretty much all of us, that first option, Search Automatically for Drivers, is the way to go. It's your best bet. Just click that, and Windows will go out and find the exact right software for you. Easy. So once that finishes up, let's try it again. Is that error message gone? Are you back in business? If the answer is yes, fantastic. But if you're somehow still stuck, don't worry. We've got one more really powerful tool we can use. All right, for our final fix, we're going to call in the expert. We're going to use the built-in Windows troubleshooter. Think of it like a little detective inside your computer that's designed specifically to hunt down and fix printer problems. Let's put it to work. Okay, let's head back to the settings menu one last time. From there, click on System and then find Troubleshoot. On the next screen, you're going to click Other Troubleshooters. Now you'll see a whole list. Just find Printer and click that Run button right next to it. And here's the best part. Once you click Run, your job is basically done. The system just takes over. It'll scan everything, looking for what's wrong, corrupted files, bad settings, you name it, and it will try to fix everything all by itself. Okay, so with any luck, your printer is happily printing away right now. But here's the thing. Beyond just getting this one error fixed, you've actually just learned a really powerful framework for solving pretty much any tech issue on your computer. Think of it like a funnel, right? You start broad with the big stuff, like system updates, because that can fix a lot of things at once. If that doesn't work, you narrow it down and get more specific, targeting the device driver itself. And if you're still stuck, you use the powerful automated troubleshooters as your final step. It's a logical system that saves a ton of time and frustration. So as we wrap this up, I've got a question for you. We all have that one piece of technology, right? The one that just seems to have a mind of its own and always gives you a headache, whether it's a printer, your Wi-Fi, whatever. What's yours? Let us know. Thanks for tuning in.